In this video, I'll show you how to fix call indeed problem on Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So if you're frequently getting the call indeed problem on any Samsung phone, then here's the real guide of how you can actually fix the problem. But before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, to not fix the problem, the very easy thing that you can do, go ahead and swipe down from the very top and then simply go ahead and enable the airplane mode for, let's say, 10 to 20 seconds, and after that turn it back off. This process is slightly restart the network system, and this will fix your problem sometime. And after that, you just need to check out some of the important settings. Open up the settings from your Samsung phone and then go ahead and tap on the connection, the first option. And from here, go ahead and tap on mobile network, and inside this one from the list, go ahead and select the SIM card that you're having problem with and make sure you have selected the highest frequency, or if it's already enabled, you can select a different one. Let's say I'm going to select the 3020 auto connect, and I'm gonna wait some time and then get back to the previous again. And once you have done that with the SIM card, go to the network operators at the bottom right, and inside this one, make sure the select automatically option is enabled. If it's disabled, go ahead and enable this feature right now. But make sure the right SIM card is selected from the bottom. Here it's selected with SIM card 1, so if you're having problem with the SIM card 2, we can select the SIM card 2 and make sure it's also enabled. And once you're done with this, just get back to the main settings of your Samsung phone. And from the main settings, you just need to scroll down to the apps section here. Go ahead and tap on apps, and from the list you go ahead and tap on the search bar at the top right and search for phone app. Once you get the phone app, go ahead and tap on this and then go and tap on force stop at the bottom right and tap on OK. And this time you just need to scroll down, tap on storage here and then tap on clear cache, and you're pretty much good to go. Just get back from here and then restart your Samsung phone once. And once you have restarted your phone, most likely your problem is going to be solved. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.